Hello, and welcome to the Kala Wallet. Today, we will be demonstrating how to send Kala from your Kala Wallet to another. Let's begin. Once you're signed into your Kala Wallet, you will want to click on the Kala option. As you can see, at the top of the page, your balance of Kala will show. Now you know how much you have that can possibly be sent. To send our Kala, we will need to fill in the following fields: the recipient's Kala Wallet address. We will enter the wallet address now. Please be aware that we do not suggest that you type in each character individually. Like in all cryptocurrency, the address must be entered exactly. Copying the address to your device's clipboard and then pasting the address in the recipient field is what we suggest to execute this step. Now we will enter the amount of Kala we want to send. We will be sending 100 Kala to that address today. A nice feature included in the Kala wallet is the notes section. This way you always keep track of all the Kala you send out. We will enter our note now. Also, here it states the transaction fee, which is just 0.00001% fee for the Kala you are sending. Now we will press the Preview Transaction button. As you can see, a pop-up box will show outlining the date, the address you are sending to, and the amount that you are sending. This is the final time that you can make sure the correct address has been entered. Please be aware that once you press send, you will have 20 minutes to confirm your transaction with the code that you will receive to your email address. After 20 minutes, if you have not confirmed the transaction, you will just have to start over to send your Kala. Now that we are satisfied that the address is correct, let's go ahead and push send. As you can see, we have received our Kala wallet transaction confirmation email. We will copy that code and paste it into the confirmation code field. Success! We have sent Kala. Now you can see that we have a pending transaction of 100 Kala waiting to confirm on the Kala blockchain. Once that happens, you will see that the status will change to sent. There we go. That's it, simple as that. We have sent Kala. Thank you for joining us today. Have a great day.